Hello everyone, I am Royston. Now I am going to explain the data science and ecosystem experiment number 1. In this experiment number 1, we are importing the numpy as the numpy library.np. It is a shortcut name for numpy. And then we are using the temperature is equal to numpy contain 10 daily temperature values 30, 32, 29 like that. Then we are printing the daily temperature, print a heading. Then we are displaying that print temperature that display the complete array. These are the outputs. These are 10 temperature value. NumPy displays number inside square brackets. In second, we are using zeros, ones and empty. First, we are creating an array of 7 zeros. Then creating the array of 7 zeros of 1 1 1 1 1. Then creating an empty array. Then these are the garbage value that present in the memory empty does not initiate the array. See, these are the output. In third program, we are creating 50 random integer between 40 and 100. Example 68, 42, 45, like that, so on. Then it returns 1, meaning it is a one-dimensional array. Then it returns 15, meaning there are 15 elements. Then it returns 15, total number of elements. Then it humid type returns int 32, meaning the data type is integer. Then the next program we are arranging and slicing. In this we are creating a number of starting up to 25 up to 45 with step size of 2. The output we are getting 25, 27, 29, 31 like that. First three value temperature colon 3 we are getting 25, 27, 29. Then the last four values are minus 4. There are 39, 41, 45, 43, 45. Then the alternative values of temperature colon colon 2. Its outputs are 25, 29, 33 and 37, 41, 45. Then in next we are creating array indexing. We are creating a rainfall array. That rainfall 3. The output is 25. Index start from 0 as index 3 means that fourth element. That rainfall is dot 3 so the output it come from 10 that 15 20 first three elements. Then rainfall is minus 2 40 and 45 last two elements. It is a sorting program sorted that array in ascending order. Example 6 82 54 54 like that. After that we are 5 6 8 15 26 48. Then removing the duplicates value. Example 54 54 we are removing. Then it will become the duplicate value is 54. Searching, when we are using the searching, find where is 35 is located. Meaning of 35 is an index of 3. Then np.argm max is equal to it return the maximum value. Then the output is 7. Then it return the minimum value is 0. See, the minimum value of speed is 0. Then we are using the boolean index. In this displaying the rainfall value greater than 100. Example 183, 149, 127, 196. Then displaying the value by 10. Then example 80, 40, 110 and 18. This this will this will show the display values is divisible by 10. Then arithmetic operation. In arithmetic operation, maximum temperature is 35, 36, 37, 38, 34. Then minimum temperature is 25, 24, 26, 27, 28. In this, calculate the daily temperature range. Output 10, 12, 11, 11. Then maximum plus minimum is add the array element by the element. Then the output is 60, 60, 63, 65, 67. Then Tmax and minimum is divises corresponding elements 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 42. Then this program will says about the sum, maximum, minimum and the average. Creating 30 random temperature value, then return the total number of elements in all temperature. Example 742, in that return the highest temperature as 40, in this return the lowest temperature as 10, then calculate the average at the first trend reading. Example 24.7. Then in this program we are reshape and flatten. Code month is equal to np dot arrange 1 comma 13, creating numbers from 1 to 12. Then the output is 1 to 12. Then we are reshaping change from the change from the 1D array into 4 rows and 3 columns. In 4 rows and 3 columns, we have converted the 2D back into 1D array. Then the output we get 1 to 12. This program is demonstrate array reshaping first, and I created a one-dimensional array containing the number 1 to 12. Then I used to reshape 4 rows and 3 columns to convert it into a two-dimensional array with 4 rows and 3 columns. Finally, I used a flatten to convert the two-dimensional array back into a two-dimensional array. This is arithmetic operations on two arrays, city 1 and city 2, creating two arrays of random rainfall value, city 1 and city 2. Addition city 1 plus city 2, adding corresponding elements. Example 50 plus 34, 84. Then subtracting city 1 minus city 2, subtract corresponding elements. 50 minus 34 is equal to 16. Then multiplication city 1 and city 2, city 1 into city 2, multiplication corresponding element 50 into 34, 1700. This program created rainfall data for two cities using random numbers numpy performance elements wise arithmetic. It add additional subtraction multiplication the value at the same index position. Then in this program we are using sorting, filter and unique values. In this we are creating 50 random values. Sorted values in ascending order. Value 80 is displaying humidity value greater than 80. Example 83, 84, 86, 94. Then unique value, remove the duplicate value. Sum, add all unique humidity values. Example 906. In this video, humidity values are generated randomly. This array is sorted value greater than 80 are filtered using Boolean indexing, duplicating values, or removing using uniques, and finally the sum of all values is calculated. In this, we are using data type conversion. In this create a floating point array, then the output is floated 64. Then convert decimal number into integer. The decimal part is removed, then it become 28.5 become 28, 30.2 become 30, like that. Then this program demonstrates data type conversion. Initially the array containing decimal values with the data type float 64. Using integer, the values are converted to int by removing decimal parts. After conversion, the data type become int 32. Then it is wind speed classification. In wind speed classification, we have created an array. The for loop checks every value. If speed greater than 20, then it print low. If the speed is greater than or equal to 40 is medium. If speed is low, then it print low. If else speed is lesser than or 40, it will print medium. The output we can see below 20 it will be print low, me 20, 30, 40 it will print medium, and 50 it will print high. This program literally every wind speed using for a loop it will explain. If the value is less than 20, it is classified as low. Value from 20 to 40 are classified as medium. Value greater than 40 are classified as high. Then in this we can this will explain the split array. Original arrays are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Then split the array into two equal parts. First part is 5, 10, 15, and second part is 20, 25, 30. The split function divides the original array into two equal parts. Since the array contains 6 elements, each part contains 3 elements. Then create a pandas data frame. Import the pandas library, then create a table. Then we can show the output: temperature, rainfall, and humidity. This program converts NumPy array into a pandas data frame. Each column in this given a meaningful name: temperature, rainfall, and humidity. The output display the tableau format. In this we are creating a CV file using pandas. This line imports the pandas library. PD is the short name of alias for pandas. A Python dictionary is created, contain three main columns. It is temperature, rainfalls, and humidity. Each column contains 5 values. This dictionary is converted into pandas data frame. The data frame is a table with the rows and the columns similar to the Excel sheet. This line saves the data frame CSV. In this program, I have imported pandas library and created the dictionary content, temperature, rainfall, and humidity value. Then I converted the dictionary into a data frame using to CSV function. I saved the data frame as a CSV file named weather data.csv. The panda meters index false removes rows numbers from the CSV file. Finally, the program prints a successful message indicating that the CSV file has been created. Then read the CSV file. Import the pandas library. Then I used to read CSV file function to read the weather data.csv file. into a panda data frame. Next, I use the head function to display the first 5 rows of the data. Then I use the row columns to display all the columns named in the data frame. Finally, I used a d type to display the data type of each column. Since all the values are whole number, the data type of every column is int 64. Thank you.